care for the upholstery of the treatment center. Be sure to wipe the upholstery dry to remove excess cleaning agent. Remember to clean the working stools. Replace the cotton roll on the turbine hose. Slide the container on the turbine hose down and remove the cotton roll. Insert a new cotton roll and slide the container back up. Regularly cleaning the foot control will help improve its functionality and operating life. Clean the underside of the foot control with a moist cloth. Grease the O-rings on the suction handpieces. Pull the suction handpiece off the suction hoses and take apart at the joints.